Hello children, we are back again here to do our mathematics class. Children, in our last class we have discussed about the like and unlike decimals, and today we are going to solve some questions from exercise 7.2, and the first question is change the decimals in each of the following pairs into like decimals. Okay children, now let's see. A number is given 0.7, 0.53. So we have to convert into how it is like decimals or unlike decimals it is children. It's obviously unlike decimal. So what we have to do here? We have to convert it to like decimals. Alright. Now let's see. Here 0.7, it has how many decimal place? 1 decimal place. You can see it's clearly only 7 is in 10th place. But 0.53, here it is 2 decimal places there. So we have to convert the maximum number, which number is contained maximum number of decimal place? 0.53. So we have to make 0.7 also to make it equal decimal place. Okay, so say 0.7 we can write like 0.70. Okay, as you know the rule, already discussed it, we have that we have to just add the 0 from the right side into the decimal part. So decimal part is 7, we'll just add it 1 or 0. Alright, so now it's become 2 decimal place, and here it is also 2 decimal place. So 0.70 and 0.53 is a now pair of like decimal place. Alright, same way B number also 8.12 and 8.5. So we may write 8.51. You can see here there it is 2 decimal place, but here it is 1 decimal place. So which one you have to convert into the with it, make it equal 8.5. So we may write 8.5 is equal to 8 how can convert? We have to add 0. So at 2 decimal place we have to make it also 2 decimal place. So only 1 0 we need to add it. So 8.50, but it will value will not be changed because 0 is same only this value. Okay, so 8.5 is equal to 8.50. Now this 8.50 and 8.12 is a pair of like decimals. Alright, same way if I'm going to show another example, that is F number 4.561, 8.9. Here you can see children 4.561, that is how it has how many? There is 3 decimal place, tenths, hundredths and thousandths. Okay, it's occupied by 5, 6 and 1 places. So but 8.9 only 1 decimal place is there. So we have to give the or put the zeros to the right side of 9, as 9 is in decimal part. So only how many zeros we have to add here? 2 zeros, as then only it will become the 3 decimal place. Here 3 decimal place, here also 3 decimal place. Alright, now it has become the, it's a pair of like decimal place. Alright, same way rest of the questions can be solved by you. So now in your book page number 4 you can see here comparison of decimals. It's a new topic to you, how we can compare a decimal number. Like earlier we have compared some numbers, but here we have to convert the decimals number. Okay, same only, just after decimal part we have to look here. Decimals are compared in the same way as we are compare whole numbers. Alright, so to compare decimals, change the unlike decimals into like decimals. The decimals with the greatest whole number part is the greatest, and the decimals with the least whole number part is the smallest number. If the whole number part is the same, then compare the decimals by comparing their digits at the tens place. If the digits at the tens place are the same, then the digits at the hundredths place are compared, and so on. Same way we can compare. That means, what does it mean? Actually, we have to compare at first the whole part. If the whole part is, you can see, after looking at the digits we can compare it. But after, if the whole part is same, then we have to compare. If this whole part is different, then it's become easy to compare it, which is greater number, that will be larger decimals number. But whole part is, if it is same, then we have to look at that 10 decimal place part. Okay, so digits, at first we have to look the tens place digits, then we have to look after hundreds place, then next we have to look the thousands place. This way we can compare. Okay, now let's do some examples. See here children, so we have discussed the same thing only in your book from stepwise. Now examples I have shown here to you, 36.54 and 36.04. So what I have told actually just in. See, here you can see both the whole part is same. 36, here also 36, 36. That means 36, both the whole part is same. Now we'll 3 and 3 is same. 6 and 6, both this also same. Now we'll look after the point. Here you can see 5, but here it is 0. So 5 is greater number or 0? Yes, obviously 5 is greater than 0. So 5 will be greater number. I have shown here 5 is greater than 0. Now here you can see 4, but here also 4, that means same. But here in tens place, which is greater number now, as we know, if the whole part is same, we have to look the tens place number. If the tens place digit is, which one is greater, that number will be the greater number. If as 5 is greater than 0, so which number will be, decimal number will be greater? It's clearly 36.54 is greater number than the 36.04. Alright children, now let's do from exercise 7.2. The question number 2 is given, arrange the following decimals in ascending order. So our question number A is, you can see children, 0.62, 0.5, 0.432. So here one thing you have to notice here, there are, these all are different decimal places. All the given number has different decimal places, so we have to convert into the like decimal places. This is all right. So 0. The given decimals we can write are 0.62, and one thing you remind, that highest decimal places is there, which one? 0.432. So all these two also we have to convert into 3 places of number. Okay, as it is 3 decimal place it has, so this also we have to make 3 decimal place, this also we have to make 3 decimal places number. All right, so at first we will convert it. So we can write like simply, the given decimals are 0.620, as it's no, only we have to add 0 here from the right side, 0.620. And next one, 0.5, we can write it like 0.500, as it's 3 digits there. Now next one is 0.432. all right, now we can compare, but before comparing we should know in which order we have to compare. In this question it's given compare in ascending order. So ascending order means the numbers from smallest to greatest we have to arrange it. All right, so smallest to greatest we have to arrange it. Okay children, so clearly you can see which is, all the whole part is 0. So whole number in 0, integral part is 0, here also 0, here also 0. But in the tens place, here it is 6, here 5, and here it is 4. So 4 is the less number, so it will be smaller one, 4. So no need to compare this one, 4, 0.43 here. Then after 4, which is coming? 5. Then 6. So at first we will write here 0.432, then 0.500, then it will be 0.620. Only tens place we have compared. All right, then it will be clearly it's coming only, so this is the ascending order. All right, so from 0.432 is less than 0.500, it's less than 0.620. All right, now let's do one more. C number one, 12.1, then 12.21, and next one is 12.001. So the given decimals are, we can write here like this: 12.100, after converting into the like decimals, 12.21, only 10 if you get, then it's all right. Now it's 12.001. So it's clearly you can see all is, the whole part is same, 12 12 12. Now we're confusing in this tens place. Here it is 1, here you can see, here's 2 1, then it is 2, and it is 0. So which is, so you can see here 2, then here it is 0. Now 12 point, so which is greater, 1, tens place is 1 here, 2 here, and it is 0. So which is greater number and less number? As we have to smallest to greatest we have to arrange, so we'll see less number which one, 0. So which number should be, at first we have to write 12.001 as tens place 0, it is there. Now next one will be 12.100, and then it is less than 12.210. So it is the greatest number and it is the less number. So I hope it's clear to you how we can arrange it in the ascending order. Rest of the you can solve by yourself. Thank you.